Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this dental water pick flosser. This is a really neat device. It actually holds 300 milliliters of water, and it actually has 5 different heads that you can put on here. So we are going to get this thing out of here and check it out. This has 4 different cleaning modes and 11 intensities that you can use with this. So this is your actual water pick right here, and it just simply comes out the top. Now you can fill the water here, or you've got a little opener right here that you can also fill it with if you have the top on. But we will fill that up here in just a moment. I want to show you these little heads here, which is going to be inside here. They are all individually packaged, and then you've got your charging cable in here as well. So your charging cable will need a USB, and then it will plug into the back to charge it up. And I will bring you in here close and we'll take a look at all these heads and see how this thing works. So here's the machine up close. You've got your power button and your mode selector, and then you've got your clean, your soft, pulse, custom, and then your battery life. There's the holder right there if you wanted to get to the water right here. And then you've got your charging port right at the top. Now to use this, you just twist this on and off. So we're gonna go ahead and fill it up with some water. And it does have a 300 milliliter fill line on the side. That's right there. So you just don't want to fill that up over. And then to put it back on, it just twists on, and now you've got that on here. And here is where you put your different heads. So you have 5 different flossing heads that you can use. So whatever you're wanting to do, you just pick that flossing head and go from there. So I am going to pick this little guy. Now to put this in, you just simply stick it in there, it clicks into place, and then this button will release it. Then whenever you want to use it now, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to spray that to the back. So this has a 360-degree swivel on here, so you can point it whatever direction you want to have it. So to use your different intensities here, you can turn on your power button, and it instantly starts up on clean, which is just a nice powerful blast. You go to your soft just by pressing your mode button, your pulse, and then your custom, you can actually just hold down on that for 3 seconds, and then it'll flash and it will change your intensities from there. So it will go up to all these different intensities, all the way up from level 1 all the way to 8. So you can see that and hear that getting louder. But this is a pretty quiet machine. All around, I really like the way that this functions. So this is a nice machine to be able to get in there and clean if you've got braces or anything you want to be able to get any gunk out of your teeth. This is a nice, easy way to do it. Be able to travel with it. Whenever you're finished, you can easily take this out, clean it up, rinse this out. This is IPX7 waterproof. So if you wanted to do this while you're in the shower, just to avoid a little water splash all over, this can handle the job.